Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's sleeping. It is 3:58 in the morning, but I did start this project around 2:30. Forgot to do the intro. Well, I did the intro, I just didn't tape. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a bulletin board that looks like a Rubik's Cube, but it's just going to be one side and flat. So I looked up, I had the idea and I looked up the any cork boards or something like that were square and black, and I found some, and they were really nice too. It wasn't cheap stuff. And so I needed 9 of those, of course, and they were like 9.5 inches square, and that was perfect for my wall. And now all I needed is construction paper, and I found construction paper was all the colors, and it was the perfect size across. That wouldn't cover the whole thing, but just left a nice 1/2 inch on each side. And so all I had to do is cut it once, and it would fit on there. But I didn't want to just cut square, so I wanted to cut the edges round. And what I did was I made a template. And I made one edge round like that. The one facing the center is always round, okay, because that center is always shaped a little bit different, so it's round. So that's what I did, kind of like on this cube here. And I say round, but rounded corner. So this is the pattern I wanted to do, or the shape of all the stickers that I want to do. So this is my template. That's how big it is. And one tile, and then one tile, and then of course the edge would have 2 rounded tiles, and the center would have 4. So I already done with the project, but I needed to do an intro. It did come out pretty good, but I'll show you how to do it in this video. So you guys, if you want to do it, you can do it. Plus I'm going to put all the information where I got the stuff and put it on. If you want to click on the affiliated link in the description, I'll get a little bonus from that, so I would appreciate it. I'm probably not the only person that thought about this idea, so I don't want to take it as my own, but I did not see anything. I just came up with it and decided to do it. But I don't think I have the original idea, so because it's too simple. So what I'm going to do is stop the video now and do it, because I already filmed it, and then finish the video and show you guys at the end. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, let's get this project going. Like I said, here's the cork board. It feels really nice too. It's nice. The edges are beveled too. I like that. Yeah, it's real nice. And what I like about it is when you put the adhesive on, you can take it off and move it somewhere else too. There's Rubik's Cube color in there somewhere. So what I'm going to do is draw. I'm going to have it kind of even with this bottom. So if I put a shelf, I could put a shelf right here. And yeah, that's what I'll do right here. Even. Because that would be too tall. They're 9 inches, I think. Yeah, not gonna be that big. Good, that is nice. Yep, that's perfect. So it's not too high, not too low. Yep, that's perfect right there. And that was easy. Just make sure you put it on the flat side, not the one with bezel on it. I think that's what they call it, bezel. Make sure it's on there. And then each one of these things have a little tab on it, so you can just grab. That's very nice. Eight more to go. Let's see. Try some pressure here and make sure it sticks to the. And then put it on the flat part. Remember.
From every nation, near and far, we gather here beneath one star. With steady hands and focused minds, we chase the seconds left behind.
We twist and turn with hearts on fire. Precision, speed, our one desire. The world is watching every move as patterns shift and lines improve. WCR rules guide every turn. Fair and equal lessons learned. Scramble set, the timer starts. This is more than twisting parts.
Keeps unite us all from giant hearts.
Alright, I got that part up. Now I gotta make the sticker part with the construction paper. That's perfect. Yeah. So I just gotta measure down here what this is right here. And then from there, make a template to cut the corners out.
2 by 2s to 3 by 3s. Blindfolded saws will never.
Alright, I made a corner template. And I only need one. And then when I trace it on the other one, I just trace each corner like this. Let me do the white first.
No boundaries left to divide. Just good passion side by side.
Judges watching every piece. Ethics structure piece to piece.
DNFs may come our way, but Cubers rise another day.
Let the cubes unite us all.
Now if this would fit in my printer, I'm not sure if it does. I can print out the logo right here. But I do have like clear sticker type paper. Maybe it's white too, I'm not sure. I might be able to print on that.
Chicago lights, London speed and Paris nights. Cuban spreads across the globe. Every town a treasure trove.
Stand as one, look how far we've come.
Every solver and drum.
Let the IOC take note. We already cast your vote.
Let the cubes unite us all. Watch the greatest athletes call.
Oceans wide. Stage, let the Olympics turn the page. Hands out ready, nerves of steel. Countdown's real, the rush we feel. Twist the future, spark the flame. Speed cubing takes its rightful claim. Let the cubes unite.
Yo, I'm the champion, can't you see? Living large in this cube-shaped dream. Twisting rhythms, I'm breaking free. For your cause as my ultimate theme. Come on now, feel the beat. Cube heads rising, can take a seat. Where's my for your core? Let it shine. Many cubes in the world, but this one is mine. I'm the King Kong, stronger than before. Cube heads here ready to soar.
And last but not least,
the blocks I control the game. Each rotation, nothing feels the same. Lights are flashing, I'm making my name. In this cube kingdom, I'll stake my claim. Rise up high, don't fall apart. Cube heads got the rhythm in his heart. Where's my for your core? Let it shine. Many cubes in the world, but this one is mine.
That looks pretty cool.
King Kong, stronger than before. Cube heads here
There you
ready
go.
to soar.
Rubik's Cube bulletin board. I'm probably not the only one to ever do this, but I didn't see anybody else do it. I just came up with the idea myself. I'm going to put a logo in the middle. My logo plus 2. Like I said, it has all the colors of the Rubik's Cube except for orange. They got black instead, so almost every color. So I got those tacks. I'm going to put those somewhere where I can fit to them. Alright, there goes my project, done with it. Came out nice, and it came out just the way I wanted it to. So that's how it looks, but if you want it to center around, you can make the center round. And I have a piece to have my logo on there, my Gonzo Book logo, and sticker on there. And then some pins, put the pins. It's a good place to hold the pins. Good place to hold the pins. Right here in these center of all the pieces. And then when you need it, you just grab it. Cool. This back up so you guys can see. Yeah, that's my bulletin board. Yeah, I like it. One pack I think cost $15 of those tiles, black tiles, and it was yeah. So I get 2. It had 9 for $20. That might have been for me better. And then construction paper, and that's it. And I used the stickers that were left over. So, you know, the 2-sided tape or whatever. I wouldn't want to hold up the paper with push pins, but you could do that too. I like the way it looks right now with no push pins holding it. And when you use a push pins, you just use it. And the thing is, this is this pattern right here. And that's cool and everything. But when you get sick of it, or if one color gets a lot of holes in it, it doesn't look good anymore, you can take it off and put another color on that one. That's how it looks from a distance. That's about it. Now I got my bulletin board. Alright, so if you have any comments, comment down below. I will try to answer them the best I can. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I bought. I think everything came from Amazon. And I'm going to put it right here while I'm making it. I'll put it there and you guys can see what I bought if you want to do it yourself. Or if you think you got some other materials you want to buy. I think that looks good. It's nothing too elaborate, nothing fancy. But I got a bulletin board that's in shape of the side of a Rubik's Cube. So. And it's flexible. So if you poke too many holes on it, you can change the pattern. So just keep your template. I made a template right here. So keep that, excuse me, keep that template. So whenever you want to make another one, hey, no big deal. Or you can take the old one off and use that as a template. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
What you made from scrambled nest to solid plan. That's power in the palm of my hand. I got the whole cube in my hands. Every color, every print. One more move, now watch it land. I got the whole cube in my hand. Twist it fast, understand. Chaos bears at my command. Yeah, I got the